Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's 12 days of tutorials, I'm going to be using the Violet Voss Like a Boss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. And it looks like this right here. Very, very pretty. So that's what I'm going to be using today and creating a look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So like I mentioned in the introduction, I'm gonna be using this baby right here, and I kind of want to do something with the green and the red just because Christmas is coming up. Like, can you believe it's gonna be Christmas in less than a week? Oh my gosh. But anyways, so I want to use the green and the red. So not sure how or what type of eyeshadow look, but those are the colors I want to use. So why don't we just jump in? So I already have my eyebrows done with Nothing Usual. I used my ABH Brow Wiz, and I used the dual powder in Ebony as well to align the eyebrows and then fill them in. Then I used MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to carve the bottom of my eyebrows and prime the lids. And as you can see, I already did my base, which I'm not sure why I did it this way. I wanted to try something different, maybe jump on camera with my base finished, but we're gonna do our best. And if I need to retouch any of my base foundation or base products, then I will do that. So why don't we just jump in, right? So let's see. So I'm not gonna be setting the eyelid because I think it's pretty good, and there's not a cream shade in here for me to do that. So I'm just gonna jump into the eyeshadow, the rest of the eyeshadows. So what I'm gonna be doing is, I think I'm gonna do somewhat of a, and I've done this look before where I do eyeshadow here in the inner corner and then I do a liner with the shadow. So actually I'm gonna be using handy dandy tape, and I'm gonna just get 2 pieces of tape and line the bottom of my lash line to the tip of the eyebrow, just so we can get that eyeshadow going. So like so. Alrighty, so now that I have the tape on, I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow. Now first I'm gonna start with the inner part of the crease, and I'm gonna go into the shade Work, which is this red shade right here. And I'm going to use a Luxie 223 short shader brush. Now I'm gonna use this brush because I'm gonna outline that red shade here, and then should I use this one? Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna again get the Boss color, which is the red. Now I'm going to trace that red right here in the inner part of the eyelid. So like so. And I'm going to build the intensity as well. Okay, now I'm going to use a fluffy tapered brush. This is the Morphe MM3. This is part of the Mickey and Friends collection, and I'm just gonna blend the edge right here. Okay, but I want to intensify that red a little bit more, so I'm gonna grab more of the color Work in this part right here. Alright, so it should look something like that. And like I said, I'm going to use that Morphe MM3 brush and just blend out the edges right here. Now, I think I'm going to use... Alright, so I'm going to try using Hustle. This shade right here. Hustle or WCW. I mean, it could stand for Woman Crush Wednesday, right? I'm not sure, but I'm going to use that shade. Actually, I'm going to go in with the brown to try and blend that red out. Yeah, instead of the orange. Now, if you felt like you lost that red color, you can go back in with the Luxie 229 short shader and just intensify that red just a tiny bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Luxie 221 flat definer, and I'm going to go into the shade Royal. I'm just going to leave the red for now. And I'm going to use the shade Royal, which is this green color. Now that's a shimmer shade, so I'm going to try to pack it onto the brush because we're going to do a liner using this shade. So I'm just going to use the outline of the tape and then bring it in. So even though it is a shimmer shade, it looks really dark. And this shade, I'm only gonna bring it in halfway. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bring it in all the way. Or maybe I am. Alrighty, so this is what the eyeliner looks with the green, with the emerald green as a eyeliner. I think it looks pretty. Now what I want to do is I want to use the shade, I think I'm going to go into Swag, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to use this to intensify that red eyeshadow. So basically to clean up that line right here. And I also want to bring some brightness in that area. So it should look something like that. Alrighty, so once you outline it, you see how it intensifies that red line? So this is how I'm going to keep it. I'm not even going to fill everything out. I'm just going to keep it in the outline and that's it. But I am going to grab like a fluffy blending brush and I'm just go over the red just to make sure that everything's well blended. I'm going to be using the Morphe MM4. This was from the Morphe and Friends collection. And I'm just going to run it here all over the red part right here. Just want to make sure everything's blended out and there is no harsh lines. I think I bought this red over down here, but it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Let me just intensify this little red line right here a little bit more, just keeping it here in the inner part. So there. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna jump off camera and apply some lashes, touch up my face, and then I'll come back to show you the final result, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I didn't do much honestly. I only added the lip. For lips I used NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. Then I used the Juvia's Place lipstick in, what is it called, Nubian Sand. And then I kept it neutral just because of the eyes. And then for eyes, I just added the lashes in iOni, the dollar lashes, yes. But yeah, this is the final look, and I think this is like a very Christmassy look because it has the green, even though the camera is not really picking it up. In person you can most definitely see the green, and of course the red. The red is visible but not the green. So it's a very like nice way to do something simple. It didn't take me a very long time. You know, you just add your red and then you use another light transition color to blend out the red, and then you use whatever eyeshadow for your liner, and then maybe if you want to do what I did, grab another lighter color to carve out that red line, and boom, that's a look right there. Very easy, very holiday-ish. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I enjoyed using the palette from Voss as well. So that's all for me today. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.